Do you love the thrill of spicy food? Welcome to our culinary journey where we ignite your taste buds and take your palate on a fiery adventure. Today we're exploring the world through its most tantalizing, mouth-watering, and fiery foods. Spices, after all, are the lifeblood of any memorable dish. They add depth, ignite the senses, and have the power to transport us across continents. Ever wondered why we love spicy food? It's a global phenomenon reaching far beyond borders and cultures. From the peppery egusi soup of Nigeria to the fiery Sichuan hot pot in China, the love for spice is universal. It's a testament to our shared human experience, uniting us through the thrill of the heat and the joy of flavor. Over the next few scenes, we'll be diving into the heart of spice, exploring 5 of the world's best spicy food recipes that you need to try. Each dish, unique in its own right, encapsulates the essence of its origin, celebrating the rich history and tradition of its people. So, are you feeling adventurous? Ready to turn the heat up and explore some of the world's best spicy food recipes? Let's get started. Number 1, 5th spiciest dish, egusi soup. Starting off our spicy journey, we land in Nigeria with the egusi soup. This dish is a true testament to the culinary prowess of this West African nation. At the heart of egusi soup is the melon seed, from which it gets its name. These seeds are rich in protein and often ground into a fine powder before being cooked. Ground crayfish and palm oil add depth and character to the soup, while a variety of meats, including beef, goat, and fish, bring a hearty element. Vegetables, typically bitter leaf or spinach, balance the richness of the soup, and spices such as pepper and locust beans, known locally as EIRU, lend it a distinctive flavor and heat. Making egusi soup is a labor of love. The ground egusi seeds are mixed with water to form a paste, which is then added to a rich simmering broth of palm oil, onions, and pepper. Meats and fish, previously seasoned and cooked, are then incorporated, followed by the vegetables. The soup is then left to simmer until all the flavors meld together, resulting in a thick, hearty soup that packs a spicy punch. Egusi soup is more than just a dish. It's a cultural icon. It's served at important events and celebrations, symbolizing hospitality and generosity. It's typically eaten with fufu, a dough-like food made from cassava, yam, or plantains, which helps to temper the soup's spiciness. The heat level of egusi soup is quite high, thanks to the generous use of pepper. However, it's the kind of heat that builds gradually, allowing you to appreciate the complex flavors before the spice fully hits. It's a heat that lingers, a reminder of the culinary adventure you've embarked on. A true taste of West Africa, wouldn't you agree? Number 2, 4th spiciest dish, Sichuan hot pot. Next, we journey east to China with the renowned Sichuan hot pot. Sichuan, a province in southwestern China, is famous for its fiery cuisine, and its hot pot is no exception. This dish is a delightful symphony of flavors, a culinary dance of hot, sweet, sour, and salty notes, all underpinned by the distinctive numbing sensation of Sichuan peppercorns. The Sichuan hot pot is more than just a dish. It's a communal dining experience that has been warming the hearts and bellies of Chinese families for centuries. Picture a simmering pot of broth at the center of a dining table, surrounded by plates of raw ingredients ready for cooking. The ingredients might include thinly sliced meats, tofu, vegetables, and a variety of seafood, all waiting to be dipped into the bubbling broth. The magic of the Sichuan hot pot lies in its broth, which is prepared with a myriad of spices and herbs. Star anise, cloves, Chinese cinnamon, fennel seeds, and dried tangerine peels mingle with the fiery heat of dried chili peppers and the unique numbing sensation of Sichuan peppercorns. This flavor-packed broth is then used to cook the raw ingredients, infusing them with its spicy, aromatic essence. But the Sichuan hot pot is not just about the heat. It's about the balance of flavors, the interplay of textures, the joy of communal dining, and the thrill of customizing your dish. You can adjust the spiciness, choose your favorite ingredients, and even create your own dipping sauce from an array of options. So, how spicy is the Sichuan hot pot? Well, it's not called hot pot for nothing. It certainly packs a punch, but it's a manageable heat, a slow burn that warms you from the inside out. Each bite is a spicy revelation, a celebration of Sichuan's culinary prowess and love for bold flavors. Who knew a pot of boiling broth could pack such a fiery punch? But that's the charm of the Sichuan hot pot. It's a dish that promises warmth and camaraderie, a dish that invites you to share in the joy of cooking and the thrill of spice. It's a dish that's steeped in tradition and bursting with flavor, a dish that's truly worthy of its place in the pantheon of the world's spiciest foods. Number 3, third spiciest dish, piri piri chicken. From Asia, we fly to Africa, landing in Mozambique and Angola for the piri piri chicken. This dish is more than just a spicy delight. It's a testament to the culture, history, and culinary tradition of these countries. The star of the show is, of course, the piri piri pepper, also known as the African bird's eye chili. This small but fiery pepper takes its name from the Swahili word for pepper, and boy, does it live up to its name. The piri piri chicken begins its journey with a good long marinade. The bird is bathed in a blend of crushed piri piri peppers, garlic, paprika, lemon juice, and a handful of aromatic herbs. This spicy concoction penetrates the meat, infusing it with a heat that is as intense as it is flavorful. But the magic doesn't stop there. Once marinated, the chicken is traditionally grilled over an open flame, adding a smoky dimension to its already complex flavor profile. As the fire licks the skin, it chars the outer layer, creating a deliciously crispy exterior that contrasts beautifully with the juicy, spicy meat within. In Mozambique and Angola, piri piri chicken is not just a meal, it's a celebration. It's a dish shared with family and friends, accompanied by laughter, stories, and maybe a cold beverage or two to temper the heat. It's a testament to the warmth, vibrancy, and resilience of the people who created it. As for the spiciness level, let's just say that the piri piri chicken is not for the faint of heart. The heat hits immediately, a fiery wave that engulfs the palate. But it's a pleasant burn, one that's perfectly balanced by the tang of lemon and the smokiness of the grill. It's a spice that lingers, a reminder of the culinary adventure you've just embarked upon. So if you're a fan of spice and a lover of chicken, then piri piri chicken is a dish you simply must try. It's a culinary journey in its own right, a trip to the heart of Africa from the comfort of your own kitchen. Fiery, flavorful, and finger-licking good. That's piri piri chicken for you. Number 4, second spiciest dish, jerk chicken. Now let's hop over to the Caribbean islands for some Jamaican jerk chicken. Picture this, a plate of succulent, smoky chicken, marinated in a fiery blend of spices and slow-cooked over pimento wood. Yes, my friends, we're talking about the iconic jerk chicken, a dish that's as much about the method of cooking as it is about the ingredients. Originating from Jamaica, jerk chicken is a staple in Caribbean cuisine. Its name derived from the term jerking, which refers to the process of poking holes in the meat to better absorb the marinade. The star of this dish is the jerk spice mix, a potent blend of Scotch bonnet peppers, allspice berries, thyme, and a host of other spices. The Scotch bonnet, one of the hottest peppers in the world, lends the dish its fiery kick, while the allspice berries, native to Jamaica, add a distinctive warm and aromatic flavor. The preparation of jerk chicken is an art in itself. Traditionally, the chicken is marinated in the jerk spice mix, sometimes for up to 24 hours, allowing the flavors to deeply penetrate the meat. Then it's slow cooked over a fire of pimento wood, which imparts a unique smoky flavor to the chicken. The result? A mouth-watering piece of chicken, perfectly charred on the outside, tender and juicy on the inside, and bursting with flavors that are a true testament to the vibrant Jamaican culture. In terms of spiciness, jerk chicken definitely packs a punch. But the beauty of this dish lies in its balance of flavors. The heat from the Scotch bonnet peppers is tempered by the sweetness of the marinade, creating a complex flavor profile that's spicy, sweet, tangy, and smoky all at once. Jerk chicken is more than just a dish. It's a cultural symbol, a celebration of Jamaica's rich history and diverse influences. From street-side stalls in Kingston to upscale restaurants in Montego Bay, you'll find jerk chicken everywhere in Jamaica, each version a little different from the last, but all equally delicious. A spicy dish that truly captures the spirit of Jamaica, don't you think? Number 5, spiciest dish, shrimp aguachiles. Finally, we reach the pinnacle of our spicy journey with Mexico's shrimp aguachiles. Imagine the freshest shrimp you've ever tasted, bathed in a tangy marinade of lime juice and chili peppers. Yes, you heard it right. This dish is all about chili peppers and lots of them. Shrimp aguachiles truly embodies the essence of Mexican cuisine, with its blend of indigenous and European influences. The dish is simple yet bold. It starts with fresh, raw shrimp, which are then cooked in a marinade of lime juice, much like ceviche. The aguachile, or chili water, is a fiery blend of serrano or habanero peppers, cilantro, and lime juice, all blended until smooth. This green bath is then poured over the shrimp, imparting a heat that's as invigorating as it is spicy. Thinly sliced red onions and cucumber slices are often added for a refreshing crunch, creating a harmonious balance of flavors. In terms of cultural significance, shrimp aguachiles is a testament to Mexico's coastal regions, where seafood is a staple. The dish is often served as a starter, but with its intense heat and bold flavors, it can easily be the star of the show. And let's talk about the spiciness. If you're a spice lover, this dish is a dream come true. The heat level largely depends on the type of chili used and your tolerance. But it's safe to say that shrimp aguachiles is not for the faint-hearted. It's a dish that demands your attention and respect, much like the Mexican culture itself. But don't let the spice scare you away. Shrimp aguachiles is more than just a spicy dish. It's a symphony of flavors that dance on your palate, a celebration of fresh ingredients, and a nod to Mexico's rich culinary heritage. It's a dish that's not just spicy, but a vibrant celebration of flavors. Fancy a taste? Wow, what a fiery journey we've had. We've traversed the globe, diving into the heart of spice and flavor, exploring some of the world's spiciest dishes. Each dish a testament to the unique cultures and cuisines from which they hail. We began our journey in Nigeria with the hearty egusi soup. This West African delight, full of melon seeds, vegetables, and a good kick of hot pepper, is a vibrant testament to the rich culinary traditions of the region. It's a dish that's as nourishing as it is flavorful. Then we ventured to China to sample the famed Sichuan hot pot, a fiery cauldron of broth, brimming with a variety of meats, vegetables, and a generous helping of Sichuan peppercorns and chili. The result? An unforgettable dining experience that's as interactive as it is tantalizingly spicy. Our journey took us next to the coasts of Mozambique and Angola, where we savored the piri-piri chicken. This dish, with its unique blend of African bird's eye chili, citrus peel, onion, pepper, garlic, paprika, basil, oregano, and tarragon, is a symphony of flavors that dances on the palate with a fiery grace. We then jetted off to the Caribbean, landing in Jamaica to sample the iconic jerk chicken. This classic dish, marinated with a blend of Scotch bonnet peppers, allspice, cloves, cinnamon, and nutmeg, is a flavor-packed tribute to the island's vibrant culture and history. Finally, we ended our journey in Mexico with the mouth-watering shrimp aguachiles. This dish, with its combination of shrimp, lime juice, cucumber, onion, and fiery jalapenos, is a refreshing yet spicy Mexican marvel that's sure to set your taste buds ablaze. Yes, we've had quite a journey, but remember, this is just a sampling of the world's spicy foods. From the jerk huts of Jamaica to the bustling food stalls of Sichuan, the world is full of fiery, flavorful dishes waiting to be discovered. So, why not take your palate on an adventure? Try these recipes, experiment with the spices, and who knows, you might just discover your new favorite dish. Remember, the world of spicy food is vast and varied, so go ahead and spice up your life. For more amazing food and drinks tips and recipes, subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. Tell us about your thoughts in the comment section. Check out our other videos for more culinary inspiration. We love you. Until next time, keep cooking, stay adventurous.